Well, welcome back, beautiful, amazing hikers. We're here at the Jenny Knob Shelter, where I met Penguin back in 22. I guess 2 sources of water here. Don't believe what somebody wrote on the sign. It's about less than 0.1 down the hill over here. Oh boy, we got grappling hooks. I didn't even notice that yesterday. Had a little fire going on. That was cool. What is this? Jeez. Yeah. A little late start today, but wanted to have some breakfast and some tea and just get everything done right. This is one of those days we're gonna just hike as far as we can make it. Hopefully I make it to the pond, where it'd be a great place to camp for the night. And that'll be it. Yep. Catch you up the trails.